Hello everyone, welcome back to the Nilesh Technology. So we are going to start a new fresh series of React.js from zero to hero. So like from the scratch to advance. Okay. So in modern ways of working with a React, including some built-in hooks, some custom hook, some functional components, some class component, and many more. We can cover each and every concepts in this playlist. Okay, and we are going to start at the very beginning, so no prior knowledge of React needed. Okay, so this is the job oriented series, because after the each discussion of each video, so we will cover the interview related questions as well as answers. Okay, you will get the all the source code from GitHub account. I will provide the Git description link on each and every coding related video sections. Okay, so this course is perfect for you to learn how to use the React. Okay, so this series is going to be very interesting, so please keep watching and keep learning. So without wasting time, let's get started. Okay, so this is the first video. So first video is the introduction to the React.js. So see, what is the React? React.js is a very popular JavaScript library for the building the user interface. So most of the learner have confused about React.js is a framework or library. So it is just a JavaScript library. Okay, so the advantage is that it's a lightweight. Okay, so framework is a little bit take the more time to execute the processes. So React.js is a library. Okay, so it's a flexible, efficient building the user interface, and it's library used for the web and the native user interface. Means that many learner just call for the React as a React or React.js or React Native. There are a lot of words or there are a lot of names are here. So see, the React Native is basically used for the mobile development, and React or React.js is used for the web development. So it's why the user interface or why the UI word is important, because React is used for to handling the only user interface. So that's why this is called as this is a front end framework. Okay, only handle the front end related things. So for backend framework, so backend framework need to write the some RESTful APIs. So call that the API using the React.js. So like that, we will cover those things in some upcoming videos. So see, these four things is very important. JavaScript library, it's JavaScript is a component base, it's a virtual DOM, as well as this is a declarative. So we will cover the how the component is reused and how the virtual DOM is work in some upcoming videos. Now I will give just only one line for the component base. React is a component base allowing for the reusable UI elements. Okay, we will cover these things in detail for some upcoming videos. Virtual DOM means that it replaces the whatever updated things to the DOM. So not render the DOM every time again and again, only re-render the particular component. So that's why this is called as a virtual DOM. So don't worry, we will cover in some upcoming videos in detail. So what are the key features? So again, virtual DOM, component base. So we already explained what is virtual DOM, what is a component base. So one more thing is important, unidirectional data flow. So when we compare the Angular to React to the Angular, so Angular is a bidirectional data flow and React is a unidirectional data flow. So Angular and React both are a very popular front-end framework. So there is some advantage in React. So the React is a unidirectional. Okay, so in bidirectional, both parent as well as child data directional is happening. So when the application goes to the complex level, so that flowing is also goes to little bit complex level. So in React, this thing is not happen. So this is a unidirectional data flow. So when we talk about the difference in between the Angular and the React, This is a very important point. React is a unidirectional data flow. And another second one is that this is the component based architecture. Third one is that this is a virtual DOM. Okay. Then why the people use the React.js? So React offer a virtual DOM, okay, and it's the efficient update, and it's a boosting performance. Many complex application run within a second. Lot of things is re-rendered, okay. So lot of things is happen. So that's why people choose the React.js applications, okay. Again, this is the important features like the virtual DOM, easy to learn. Then it's a very popular. It's having a very large community. It's fast and efficient, and it's a reusable component. So these are the key features, or these are the very important points of why we use the React. Okay. So this is the history. So React was first designed by Jordan Walk, a software engineer at a Facebook. I posted that engineer or that founder photos. So this is founded in 2011 and officially 2013. It's open source. Okay. So again, same point. Is React.js is a library or a framework? Yeah, React.js is not a framework. It's a library. But React is look like a framework when we compare to the other framework, because when we create a new projects, it creates some project structure or a folder structure. So that's why when we see the folder related or the front end related things, then it's look like the framework, but internally it is a library. Okay, it not run as a framework. So this is very important thing. So don't get confused. And React knows only one thing, that is create an awesome UI. So why? So this is the reason why the React is popular. Okay. Then again, a ecosystem. So these four things is important. It's a component, state management, development tools, and the routing. These four things is very important, and we will cover each and every points in detail some upcoming videos. Okay. Then when we compare the React to the other framework, so what are the advantages? First one is the performance. Lot of things and lot of hooks or lot of features are available in the React to improve the performance of an application. It's a learning curve, lot of community supports, and it's a scalable application. Okay. Then if you want to learn React, then which thing you have to at least know? So first thing, you should have a knowledge about the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So a lot of concepts is covered in this playlist when we develop the React.js application. You will cover a lot of concepts of a JavaScript, CSS as well, HTML as well. But you should have some basic knowledge about these three things. Basic understanding of ECMAScript version 6. Basic understanding of how to use NPM. So if you don't know about NPM, don't worry. We will talk about in later how to use why the NPM is required to run the React based application. So we will talk all those things step by step. Okay, I will give you the one example. When you go to the Google and when you entered here the React and go to the first official site react.dev, so see the recent version is that the 18.3.1. When you click on that version, you will see the future version 19 is already there. When you click on it, so it's a beta version, means that it's not officially released. Okay, so we will see in some upcoming videos, means that when that the playlist is goes to the end level, maybe that 19 version is officially released. So I will provide you the what are the advantages, what are the features of a 19 version, what is the difference in between 18 as well as 19. So don't worry about that. So currently we are started to do the programming using the version 18, but later we'll cover all the upcoming features of a version 19. Okay, so don't worry about that. Okay, fine. So this is the introduction video. So in the next video we cover the React.js project setup. So keep watching, keep learning. So thanks for this watching to this video. So we'll see you on next video. Bye bye. Thank you.